Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently addressed a large crowd in Tamil Nadu, emphasizing the need for an NDA double-engine government. He believes this will drive overall development in the state. Modi criticized the ruling DMK, claiming it fosters corruption and neglects its promises. He stated that the people of Tamil Nadu are eager for change and want to be free from DMK's rule. During his speech, he asserted that the DMK serves only a single family and has betrayed public trust. Modi's message highlighted the lack of democracy under the current government, accusing it of promoting crime and corruption. He even referred to the DMK regime as a CMC government, suggesting it prioritizes mafia and corruption over the people's welfare. The Prime Minister claimed that many youth are falling victim to the drug mafia, which he attributed to the DMK's misrule. He urged the public to unite for a BJP NDA government to restore safety and development in Tamil Nadu. Modi illustrated the advantages of having an NDA government that collaborates closely with the union government, which would attract investors and boost the economy. He cited significant financial support provided to Tamil Nadu by the NDA over the past years, emphasizing the growth and infrastructure improvements made. He invited mothers and daughters to support the NDA as the region's safety and empowerment rely on strong governance. Modi also mentioned how the NDA is committed to supporting farmers and fishermen through various central initiatives. In summary, Modi's call for an NDA double-engine government reflects his vision for a prosperous Tamil Nadu, free from corruption. He believes that unity among voters against the DMK is crucial for the state's progress. The time for change has come, and the BJP is ready to lead Tamil Nadu towards a promising future. As the sun began to set over the vibrant crowd, Modi's voice resonated with conviction. Your aspirations cannot be silenced any longer. He paused, allowing the gravity of his words to sink in, before continuing, together, let us pave the way for a future where every Tamil, every family, can thrive without fear or corruption. The audience erupted into applause, fueled by a shared desire for change. Look around you, Modi gestured to the faces filled with hope. This is not just a rally, it is a movement for your rights. His eyes scanned the crowd, each person reflecting the yearning for transformation. You have the power to reclaim Tamil Nadu from the shadows of the DMK's misrule, he declared, his tone resolute and inspiring. There is an urgent need, he continued, to dismantle the corrupt establishment that has chained you for too long. A ripple of agreement surged through the audience as Modi emphasized, the DMK has forgotten its promise to you, they serve only their interests. He raised his voice, punctuating his next point with fervor, but together, we can ensure that your voices are heard, not drowned by the deceit and greed that have plagued our state. Modi's passionate plea resonated, igniting a spark of determination among the crowd. Imagine a Tamil Nadu where jobs are plentiful, where safety is guaranteed, and where governance works for the people. The atmosphere was electric as he painted a vision of hope. This dream can become reality if you join us in supporting the NDA, only then can we restore dignity and prosperity. His words flowed like a rallying cry, awakening a sense of agency. I urge you all to stand up. Stand up for your families, for your future, and for the heart of Tamil Nadu. With each assertion, the crowd found their resolve, responding with chants of BJP, BJP, fueling the energy around them. This is our moment, it's time to claim what is rightfully yours. Modi's message was clear, unity and action were keys to rewriting their destiny. Each one of you has a role to play in this powerful movement, Modi proclaimed, his eyes shining with passion. It's not just about voting, it's about taking back control of your lives. He gestured broadly, encompassing everyone in his vision. Imagine the day when our farmers thrive, our youth find jobs, and our streets are safe once more. As the crowd buzzed with enthusiasm, Modi concluded, together, we will write a new chapter for Tamil Nadu, a chapter marked by integrity, opportunity, and dignity for all. He left the stage, his words lingering in the hearts of the people, igniting hope for a brighter, united future.